My name is Chandra Kumar Gopalakrishnan. In this video, we are going to cover what are all the data types available in SAP ABAP. So, data types, we are having 8 data types: integer, float, packed decimal, numeric text, character, date, time, hexadecimal. So, what is the default length of integer is 4 characters. Same like that, float 8 characters, packed decimal 8 characters, numeric text 1 characters. So, here I specified all the default length for each and every data. Normally, you are not mentioning any data type. What is the default data type is character. What is the length of the field is 1 character. The default length is character. The length of the field is 1 character. So, what are the numeric data types are available? Integer, float, packed decimals are numeric data type. Character data type: numeric, character, date, time are character data types. Completed data types. Completed data types are integer, float, date, and time. What's the meaning of completed data types? Completed data type means so we are not able to specify the length of the field. So it's a fixed length. Next, incomplete data types: packed decimal, numeric text, and characters. Here we can specify the length of the field. That's called incomplete data types. So we can specify the length based on our requirement. Next, what are the ways to define variables? We are having 4 ways to define the variable: data, parameters, ranges, and selectors. We are having 4 ways to define the variables. Now we are going to see. So what's the meaning of data? Data means we can define and we can assign values within the program. It won't ask user input. What is parameters? Parameter means we can get the user input. We can get the user input at runtime. That's called parameters. Now we are going to see a small programs. We know how to log into a system. This is a SAP GUI. It will be installed in the system. Next, you choose your IP address. Next, you enter the username and password. Next, you choose your login language. Login language is English. Here, now I am going to open editor window. The T code for editor window is SAP. Here, now I am going to start the program. Always the program will start with G or Y. I start with G. So D1. In personal characters, we can use only underscore. Next, now I want to create. I press the create button. It is to create the program. Next, it will ask the title. So data types. Sample program. You can enter anything. Here type you have to choose executable program. You can choose the executable program. Then you have to press save. Now I want to save this object as local object. Title local object. This editor will open. Here I can display that I can define the variables. How to define the variables? Data is a syntax. Here data is a syntax to define the variable. DOJ is a variable type of date. Here I define data syntax to define the variable. DOJ is the name of the variable. Type of date. Here now I will give the command. So I command it. So what's the meaning of the syntax? Okay. Next, you can save this one. Next, you check. You can activate. Then you execute it. It gives the empty values because it won't ask input because we are defining the variable using syntax of data. That's why it won't ask input. Okay, but we can assign the values with the program. For example, TOJ is a variable. I want to assign the current date sy hyphen datum. Okay, it is system command to fetch the system date. Same like that. TOJ space sy hyphen u is a t it. This is for time. U is a t and this is for time. Then you say check activate. Then execute it. It gives the today date at 14/12/2022, time 786. So now you understand what's the meaning of data science. Next program. So we are going to see what is the parameters. Here I define the one variable t underscore employee number. The length will be 10 characters. The data type is numeric. So here I can change the length. Here I can change the length to 10 or 30 like that. That's why it's called incomplete data types. You can define your length at runtime. That's called incomplete. It's not complete. Right? Write is a statement to show the output. Execute. Now it will ask user input. Enter the value 10. Then execute. It shows output. Now you understand what's the difference between data and parameters. Data means we can define and we can assign the values with the program. But parameters means we can get the user input at runtime. Now you have a clarity. In here I can specify the length. I can change the length here. But so previous program, here I mentioned date and time, right? So date default is 8 characters. Okay, so we can't, it won't allow you to change. This is a completed one, but limit is an incompleted one. Suppose you want some more details, you kindly approach. This is my mail ID. You can approach this one. Okay, you can approach this one. Unless I paste with the LinkedIn ID also, you can contact through LinkedIn ID also. Thank you all. Okay, I think this will be useful for understanding data types. Thank you all.